Hello children. In this video lecture, I will give you quick revision of writing reports. Report writing is writing an account of something that you have heard, seen, done or studied. It is also a description of an event or an investigation of an issue or a problem. It is something that is written for others to read. It is a vivid expression of a person's experience. It could be used to be put on the notice board, to be published in the school magazine, or to be sent to other school for the students there to read. It may also be for news magazines and journals or newspapers. Report writing may be about projects or activities you or your class is involved in, or about happenings in and around your school. It may also be about local incidents. It is a commentary in the incident seen by the reporter. The purpose of the report is to highlight an incident, event, or experiencing of general nature. Reports create awareness among readers, give voice to many school or social problems, and help in solving them through the concerned authorities. Now, in this slide, I will give you an idea about essentials of good report. Means what you are going to involve or which you will take care while writing report to frame it in a good report. A good report should present all the necessary information as clearly as possible, arrange the ideas and facts in a chronological order, make an outline of the report, maintain logical linkage of ideas and information, avoid stereotyped expressions and irrelevant information, frame simple and short sentences, ensure grammatical accuracy, correct spelling and appropriate punctuation. Ensure that the report is appealing and impressive. Now, here are the do's and don'ts while writing a report. First of all, we will see do's. A report should be in the past tense. Write in indirect speech and preferable in passive voice. Write in third person form and avoid using pronouns like I, me, or you. Ornamental language is to be avoided. The content should include like what, when, where, why, who, how, eyewitness, account, action, mishap, etc. Name of the guest, ins- institution, event, incident, project, exhibition, competition should be mentioned clearly. Post position, office of guest should be made clear. The aim of the report should be mentioned in the beginning itself, and it should have a proper heading and simple language. Maintain brevity of thought, action, and coherence. Don'ts. A report does not describe emotions, personal opinions, or impressions, but only facts. Don't use shorthand verb forms such as they are, isn't, can't. Do not use conversational opening phrases such as well, you see, yes, let's move on. Avoid making assumptions or giving your opinion. Do not mix words and numbers unsystematically. Don't draft a report exceed its word limit. Now, here is a format of a newspaper report. First headline, a descriptive title which is expressive of the contents of the report. Then byline, means here you have to write the name of the person writing the report along with the designation. It is normally given in the question, and remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal details in your answer. Then place and date of reporting. It is generally not mentioned in a magazine report separately, but here it is. Opening paragraph, it includes expansion of the headline. It needs to be short as it is general overview of the report. Account of the event in detail. It is generally written in two parts. First, complete account of what happened in its chronological sequence preferably, and second, the witness remarks. Then concluding paragraph, this will include the action that has been taken so far or that will be taken. It is the last paragraph. Now here is I have given example 1. You are a staff reporter for the Times of India and you have been asked to report an accident where a bus lost control and hit a car, killing 3 people, and write the report in 150 to 200 words. Invent other necessary details. Means you have to add that details. Now you can see the title: Bus hits car, 3 died. Then byline, that is by staff reporter, The Times of India. No personal details are given here. Then place, date, month, year. Means here you have to write place Ahmedabad, then date and month and year you have to mention. I have written for you the answer. Read it thoroughly, children, and write it down in your notebook. Now, next kind of report is the magazine report or any event or function report. In that same, we have to write a descriptive title, heading of the report, and then byline, name of the person who is writing, as you are a head boy or a head girl, so you have to write your name and then head boy, head girl, cultural secretary, who are you, what is your designation in byline. Then opening paragraph, introduction. Here 5 W's are important that you have to ask while writing the report. Give what, why, when and where, along with who was invited as the chief guest. That details you have to include. Then you have to write the account of the event in detail, means in chronological order from first event to the last event. You have to mm, write each and everything properly. Then conclusion. This will include the description how the event ended, and it may include quote excerpts from the chief guest speech and how did the event wind up. To understand this, children, I have given here example 2. In order to promote the book reading habit among school children, your school organized a book week. During this week, a number of exciting activities and interaction sessions with eminent author took place. As head boy or girl of the school, you were actively involved in making all the arrangements and write a report for your school magazine in 150 to 200 words. So here I have given a title, Book Week organized by XYZ. You can write your name or the name given in the question, but only for your reference I have written XYZ, head girl or head boy. Then date, month and year. Here place is not required because you are writing for your school magazine. So date format you can see here. And now I have started from Hiramani School organized till wherever the name is required I have kept a blank. There you can write the name as per your choice. So read it thoroughly, these answer also, and write down in your notebook. Now for the practice of report writing, I have given here 3 questions. These also you have to write in your notebook. Read these questions thoroughly, and then with the reference of the 2 examples you can write these answers very easily. Thank you.